Hi everyone, this month we'll be creating this spherical shield. This is in Unreal Engine and I've got a couple controls here, so we're gonna be forming it in a different ways. At the moment I'm just showing you up and down formation. We're also gonna work with the world position offset. Let me just show you. There you go. So you can basically and destroy your shield that way, or maybe form it that way if you want. As you can see, also we've got this grid highlight and you can control it with the vertex color. We're gonna create actually that mesh in Houdini, and we're just gonna work with the material editor to give us a bunch of options. So that will be the first part. I'm hoping that patrons gonna go vote for the second part as well, because in the second part we could create some particle effect at the bottom and we can actually form that spherical shield in using Niagara. On top of that, we could create probably some impact effect on it as well, in case you need some bullet impacts for that spherical shield. So that's Unreal Engine. Let me jump into Unity now. So in Unity, as you can see, we've got a very similar setup. I just use a different sphere, and we're gonna create those sphere in Houdini, so you can have a nice variation of them. If you want a little bit denser mesh, then you could just move a slider in Houdini and just export it that way. Also, we're gonna to have a formation. We've got a grid highlight there as well, and a very similar functionality that I just showed you in Unreal Engine. We've got this bottom glow. I'm not sure if you can actually see it in the video, but there is this purple or reddish glow that only is at the bottom. And same as with Unreal Engine, this will be a part 1. I'm hoping that patrons gonna vote for part 2 next month or maybe later, and we can just come back to it and add some functionality to it, especially the gameplay functionality, so we can form the sphere, destroy it, create some impact effects for it as well, and just turn that into the particle system. Alright, I hope you're gonna enjoy this one, and thank you so much for your support.